Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed. I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well. Because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, being through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. Give it a good old tap down there. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, all right? Also, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Please, please, please be careful out there. You can lose money like that in cryptos especially, all right? And that's why my golden rule is only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, but you have to set a limit because you can lose money very quickly. All right, so don't take what I say as financial advice in these videos. Do your own research. All right, now the formalities are out of the way. Let's get straight into CoinSpot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, ladies and gentlemen. There is a referral link below. If you're new to cryptos, you can get $10 in Bitcoin, but please do your own research and be careful with that. Let's have a look at the prices today. 52,000 Bitcoin is sitting at right now. It's up slightly in the green, which is really good. Ethereum, 3,500. BNB, $540. Cardano, $8.54. XRP, I've got some news about that one, 89 cents. Come on, it's incredibly cheap, guys. Solana's 132, Luna 84, Doge 20 cents, AVAX 94, Matic is at $2.28 up today, which is really good. Crows at 57 cents, Atom $46, Link $21, Near Protocol $16, Algo very bullish on that one at $1.32. We've got some other ones here, Stellar, XLM. I've got some awesome updates about the Stellar, XLM, 28 cents today, guys. Mana's at $3.10, great buying opportunity. Hedera's at 30 cents, VeChain 7 cents. Up 0.34%. It's so cheap, guys, for what it's been built for. This is what I look for. Utility, guys. VeChain's a monster. Axie Infinity, $71. Great entry point for play to earn games. Let's have a look here. Theta's at up 9% to $4. Let's keep scrolling down here. Harmony 1, 26 cents. We've got the Graph at 58 cents. Gala Games up 13% in the last 24 hours, which is insane, at 30 cents. We've got Curved Out, $4. Neo's at $26. And my favorite here, obviously, is XDC. Now, where are you? There it is there, 9 cents. Trade finance, on-demand liquidity, bridge currency, ISO 222 at 9 cents. It should already be up at those other levels like the rest of them, guys. XLM, XRP, Algorand, IOTA. Look at all of those projects. It's undervalued right now. So that's why I love XDC, Sinfin. Not many people are talking about it, which I personally like anyway as well. Let's have a look here. Crypto bubbles today. Everything is in the red, but I'm not worried. It did peak up in the green last night, but again, I'm not really concerned about this because there's still some incredible buying opportunities right now, and Bora's still in the green. Can you believe it? I don't even know what this project does, but it has been up in the last 24 hours. So there you go. That's Bora. Let's go into some news, obviously. Bitcoin rainbow price chart, log scale. Raoul Power talks about the log scales as well, and the upward trend here, which is incredible. I love this chart just to keep an eye on what's happening here. We are in the accumulation stage right now in this market, which you can clearly see here on the chart here, which is really good as well. But the most important thing is we're in an upward trend. That's the most important thing. Crypto is only growing, ladies and gentlemen. We've got some updates here with regards to this XRP and Ripple. Basically, Ripple's come out and bought $200 million worth of their shares back from their initial, IPO or private sales, which is incredible as well, because it's bought the Ripple company itself, which is completely separate to XRP, up to a $15 billion valuation as well. And they also have, I believe Brad said, $1 billion in their bank account. So they're very bullish right now in terms of the company itself, which again is separate from XRP. XRP is a decentralized cryptocurrency, a virtual currency. Ripple is the company itself. So if you want to buy into Ripple, you can't do that because you need to be an accredited investor, which is really annoying as well. And they're two separate entities, guys. And many people have talked about it. Everyone talks about it. They're not the same thing. This is what I don't understand. Why, the SEC can't understand that. It is not a registered security. It's a digital currency. You don't have the voting rights to the company Ripple. They are completely separate. Also, you need to be an accredited investor to buy Ripple itself. You can't buy it at the moment in terms of, like going onto Stake or Robinhood or anything like that. You can't do that. It's only available on the secondary market to accredited investors only. which is something really interesting as well, because it just confirms, again, there's a good chance you have come across Ripple, the cryptocurrency XRP. While at first it's easy to make mistake Ripple and XRP is the same thing, this isn't the case by any means. In fact, many are surprised to learn that the terms XRP and Ripple are not interchangeable, guys. So they're completely different as well. Look at all these partnerships here anyway. I'm not going to get into that. Also, they did raise a significant amount of funding in the early stages, basically when they started XRP. There's early investors into this like SBI. There's another company that got sued. I'll get to that in a second. But again, you know, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, all these companies invested in this. They raised $293 million in funding. There's a lot of information on Crunchbase, so go check that out as well. Some other stuff here, obviously, XRP on the Motley Fool today, can it reach $5? This article basically confirms that it can reach there, guys. You should bring a healthy snack for the long ride up to $5. I think if this case settles, guys, we're going to see easily $10 to $15, if not probably $30 XRP if this case were to settle. But we will have to wait and see. There's extensions of time being granted to the SEC to produce their documents. They're delaying the case, which is really annoying, and it's hurting a lot of investors, and they should be ashamed of themselves about that. Some other stuff here in relation to Stellar to deploy smart contracts by the end of 2022. XLM reacts to this upside, so this is really good as well. Smart contracts will come to the Stellar network here, so be prepared for something awesome to happen with Stellar. I think it's an incredibly undervalued project as well. Yes, I haven't been as bullish as XRP and XDC, but Stellar, again, doesn't have, you know, all the regulatory stuff going on with the SEC. It's just been, you know, pretty much stagnant, this entire market. Even for the last 12 months, it hasn't really much gone up to $1. So, you know, I think it's due for that rise. So again, I'm very bullish on XLM at the moment, guys. And again, it's part of ISO 222. So it's a no-brainer for me to hold it in my portfolio, which I do anyway. And some other stuff here in relation to the Fed. Keeps interest rates at 0. Says hike appropriate soon. Crypto traders are monitoring the Federal Reserve decision because it may affect Bitcoin's price. The US Federal Reserve said on Wednesday it would hold interest rates near 0, even as it edges closer to removing the extraordinary stimulus provided the financial markets since the situation hit in March 2020. So the benchmark US short-term interest rate will remain at the current range between 0 and 0.25%. According to the statement on Wednesday, the Fed's Monetary Policy Panel, the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC. The Fed also released a separate statement announcing it intends to significantly reduce the size of its balance sheet in the predictable manner after the rate hikes start. So this is interesting as well. So again, they're holding interest rates at 0%. So that's probably the reason why we've seen some positivity around the crypto market in general. Let's go to Twitter today. This is Quant. The US CBDC inevitable, says Bank of America. Financial institutions will explore digital assets, custody, and trading solutions as payment companies incorporate technology into their platforms, guys. So again, Quant, I'm getting very bullish on Quant, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's an incredible project as well. I need to add this into my portfolio and increase my positions into Quant as well, because it's an awesome project. This is the founder here. Go and have a watch of that video on my channel. You've got some other stuff here, guys. Lawsuit is already over. Ripple emerges victorious in case against Tetragon. That's the company that sued Ripple back in the day in 2019. You've got Alan Terrett here saying one of the Ripple shareholders, Tetragon, unsuccessfully sued Ripple to retrieve its 2019 $175 million Series C investment after learning the SEC lawsuit. Ripple just bought back its original investment, and they tell me that Tetragon is still an investor of the company along with SBI Group. Big companies here invested in Ripple, guys. Market wrap here. Bitcoin, BTC dipped after the Fed signaled an upcoming rate hike. Option positioning its mix pointing to high volatility. I'm not really concerned about this, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're still in the early stages of this year. People need to chill out. Have a bit of patience here in the market. I know everyone's impatient. Everyone wants to make money. This stuff takes time. And another tweet here from Charles Gasparino breaking. Ripple's repurchase of its private shares has some crypto investors feeling bullish. I'm very bullish on XRP and the entire crypto market in general, guys. I haven't been deterred or put off by any of this FUD out there in the media about the company's ability to prevail in the SEC Gov case and then IPO possibility this year. Now, if this goes public, man, I'm buying into Ripple because it's going to be an absolutely insane investment to hold, because it's going to be a game changer. Others worry it's a move to limit liability in the case of loss. More now on this, so that's going to be interesting to see what happens there, guys. But again, I think it's a very bullish move by XRP. Sorry, by Ripple, not XRP. They're two separate things here. I think it's a very bullish move on Ripple's half. Nations can no longer afford to ignore the growth push towards crypto by the public. We may, in many cases, expect a friendlier stance towards crypto industry, guys. Check this out again. This is what's happening out there. The growth of cryptocurrency. It's going to be predicted to surpass 1 billion users this year. 1 billion crypto users. So there's a population on the planet right now. It's probably around 7 billion. So it's getting up there, ladies and gentlemen. We are only growing here. So it's incredible as well. Keeps going down here, guys. So Shiba Inu, someone's just bought $88 million worth of Shiba Inu. That is insane. I'm still holding my bag of Shiba Inu. I've made some awesome returns. I'm not going to sell it. Obviously, I don't need to. So what strikes me is a spike to develop on XDC blockchain. Obviously, the network here with more than 3,000 smart contracts deployed over the past year. So XDC, again, very bullish. Look at this chart here. Very, very nicely. In 2020, guys, it's just gone parabolic. XDC is a sleeper. SEC pushes decision on ARK, 21 shares Bitcoin ETF to April 3rd. So this is going to be interesting to see here what happens with ARK Invest. Breaking, the Fed votes to leave interest rates unchanged. Yes, very bullish. This is my tweet on compound interest. Elon Musk with McDonald's here, guys. Tempts McDonald's to accept Dogecoin. If that happens, well, we all know it's going to happen here with the price. Again, with this. Ripple and XRP news. Ripple hits record $15 billion valuation after buying out Series C investors. That's incredible as well. You've got the Royal Bank of Canada, largest bank, appears to be running its own Bitcoin node. How cool is that? 3 days ago, we were trading at sub 33K, and we are now trading at 5K higher at 38K. 6K more to be on the upside before the monthly close would be huge. It's a tall order, but it's certainly not impossible. We have 6 days left, plenty of time. Bitcoin, so this is nice as well. Brad Garlinghouse predicts that Ripple will go public. This is very bullish for me, because if Ripple goes public, you can imagine what's going to happen with XRP and the price. Regardless of what's happening with this case, if this goes public, it's going to be a game changer, guys. See, again, $200 million share buyback. This is an Al Fardan exchange. Another bullish article here on Ripple and XRP. So we've taken the lead to leveraging blockchain technology to revolutionize cross-border payments as we've partnered up with RippleNet, Cloud's Ripple cloud-based global financial network. Ripple's unstoppable, ladies and gentlemen. You've got some others to hear from John Deaton here. Why I fear Russia will outsmart the United States when it comes to crypto? Putin asks Fin Ministry and Central Bank to agree on the crypto. Who knows? The United States is being held back by Mr. Gensler and his goons and the team there of regulators there holding back the cryptocurrency market in general. They need to relax, let technology do its thing so they can be the game changer here in the market. And Australia is up there as well in terms of, moving forward with cryptocurrency. So it's going to be very good here in Australia. But I think Gensler needs to step down and just move away from crypto because this is affecting the entire market. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse won't apologize for taking on the SEC. The SEC declared war on Ripple. We are defending ourselves. So again, that's really bullish as well. Brad, you're a legend, mate. Love your work. So Break in Gibraltar is looking to launch the world's first stock exchange to accept payments in Bitcoin. That's going to be incredible as well. But again, I wouldn't sell Bitcoin if, to buying stocks and stuff. I would just hold my Bitcoin. That's what I'm doing. It's only going to go up in value. Fear and Greed Index 12 hours ago is at 23. You've got CoinSpot here in Australia. It has the third highest rate of crypto adoption in the world, and close to 20% of all Aussies currently own cryptocurrencies. Australia, legendary. Really cool here, guys. And this is 10,560 people have signed, obviously, to come in as international holders of XRP. I will do this because I think it's important that we address this issue with the SEC. I think that's very important in this case. What else we got here? ARK Invest, Ether's market cap could exceed $20 trillion in the next 10 years. That's insane. That's pretty much in terms of the news out there today. The wrap up. Let's have a look at TradingView today. I'm going to open up XRP, and this is total market cap here, guys, by the way. Let's just have a look here. The bigger perspective right here. Again, we're still in an upward trend, guys. You look at this in total market right here in general, it's still going parabolic upwards here, and I'm not worried because this is what we're talking about, that little blip right there. There was a couple of movements here with some green candles here, but I'm not really worried about that at all. Just be careful if you're trading, obviously. Keep an eye on this, but again, I'm not worried about this at all because I think this is setting up for a big upward movement, guys. And again, we're still early in 2020. Give it some time here. Seriously. Just give it time. Now, let's go into CoinMarketCap to check my portfolio and the total market cap today. Just wait for it to load. Here we go, $1.6 trillion, and again, $103 billion in trading volume, guys. You know, again, the market's picked up here in the green, very nice. Gainers today are Theta Fuel. I am holding that, by the way. Immutable X, Decred, Waves, Helium as well, which is awesome, up 13%. And if we go to my portfolio, because I need to show that, that's very important. This is all in US dollars, by the way. I'm holding Bitcoin, $36,000. Again, it's going upwards, guys. I'm really positive about this. Cardano's $1. Great buying opportunity, man. Wow. XRP is at 62 cents right now. Incredibly bullish on XRP. I think it has a long way to go, but we're very early. Doge is at 14 cents. Matic, very bullish on Matic as well. Very early, guys, in this. Credible partnerships being used by literally every cryptocurrency project out there. Matic is $1.61. Great buying opportunity. Shiba Inu, Near Protocol, Tron, Stellar XLM. Oh, by the way, I forgot to give you a news update about that one, guys. Oh, yeah, I did, sorry. The smart contracts. That's going to be mega come this year, guys. So 19 cents, 34.34% today. In the last year, guys, it's down slightly. But again, that's because it's been flatlining. Smart contracts, again, are going to put this in the bullish territory. It's still up 7,000% all time. Can't complain about that as well. Mana, you've got Hedera as well, 21 cents. V-Chains at 5 cents USD. Sandbox, Theta, BTT, The Graph, Gala Games. Again, very bullish on this. I'm holding my Gala Games. If you're lucky to have a node on Gala, you'd be making some really nice dollars right now. Amp, Neo, Ecomi, Rose, Theta Fuel, XDC as well. I'm very bullish on this at 6 cents. Again, it's up 1,600% in all time. Let's just go and have a look here. The market cap's under $1 billion right now. Fully diluted market cap is US $2.4 billion. Volume's been $10.5 million, so it is trading very nicely. Circulating supply is 12.3 billion XDC. The total supply is at 37.7 billion XDC right now, guys. So again, I'm not really worried about this. I've seen a couple of comments about people saying, oh, you know, the top wallet holders of XDC, they can manipulate this, but you've got to look at the bigger picture here, guys, with XDC. And again, the utility aspect of the project itself is incredibly bullish for me anyway. Going after trade finance, ISO 222, it's going to be a monster. Holochain, Anchor, Seacoin, Ravane, Nervos Network, Talcoin, Digibyte, MetaHero, Winlink, Superfarm, XYOs at 2 cents. Great buying opportunity for XYO. UFO Gaming, Reserve Rights, DAG, Constellation, V4, Reef, Electronium, XPR, Veracity. I am staking that still on CoinSpot. Kin, I saw in my portfolio was up today, which is cool. I am holding that. Acropolis, Gas, Ubix Network. Olympus Dow's up 0.27% to $67. That is completely tanked, earning basically nothing with Olympus Dow. I know the APY is like 3,000 at the moment. And it's a nightmare because of the gas fees to get it out. So I'm just going to leave it. Basically lost money. I'll see if I can recover it, which I doubt it's going to happen. So, and the other one here is People as well. But anyway, very bullish on Ripple's XRP buyback. It just goes to show the power of this company, its utility, and its stance in terms of this case going on. It just puts it in a power position in my perspective anyway. Really cool, guys. Let's talk about it in the comments. Stay safe. We'll speak soon. All right. Peace. Bye.